And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Still tracking that snow. We've been talking about it lingering a little longer into the overnight than maybe the models were showing. Did that, 3 o'clock news, the 4, the 5, the 6, kept saying it would hang in longer, and indeed it is. And you can see it's still got another couple of hours to go. The areas of white not snowing that heavily. The blue little sort of fingers that come up here are where it is snowing still moderately. So we still have, another couple of hours of that to go. Temperatures right now, they are cold, 26 degrees. Feels like 13, though, with that northerly wind right now at 17 miles per hour, gusting up into the 20s. The pressure, of course, is falling as that storm continues to head our way. So snow tapering off in the next few hours. It'll take probably 4 or 5 more hours down across the Outer Banks, though. Roads will and already are hazardous. Again, that temperature, the air temperature, it'll feel even colder than that. Right now, we have a few spots already down near 20. So again, even a little colder for some of the more inland and rural locations. All of these readings are just very, very cold, and it's going to be cold here for a little while before we get a nice warm up. Talked about the winds. Look at some of these wind gusts. Inland, it's not too bad. It's still blustery, 14 miles per hour, but 26 in Norfolk, 29 to 30 right across the Outer Banks. Upper 20s there on the eastern shore. Low 20s at Wachapreague, though, on the eastern shore. 32 at Virginia Beach. How about Duck? Now, that is out on the water. That is literally at the end of the pier. But even so, 40 miles per hour. It's obviously really howling down there. So here is the forecast for the next several hours, holding on through 2 o'clock. Gradually, the western areas, it just becomes flurries, and then it starts to taper off closer to the coastline. 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, still a little bit of light snow in areas right near the coast. And then the temperature stays rather cold to start your day, despite some sunshine. By afternoon, it's going to get above freezing, and with the sun and those temperatures above freezing should again help things a little bit in terms of the snowpack and getting rid of it. Temperatures then the rest of tomorrow evening fall through into the 20s, not as low as tonight. These numbers are probably too warm with a fresh snowpack. I'd subtract at least 2 or 3 degrees from these, but still, again, not quite as cold as tonight. And then how about Friday? Back up into the 40s, and then even warmer than that for Saturday and Sunday. Here is the storm spinning around. Some sleet right now, heavy at times across portions of the Outer Banks. Some heavy snow expected tonight, an inch or more an hour as that system pulls out. We had talked about the possibility of a bullseye somewhere, thinking maybe northeast North Carolina or the northern Outer Banks. So temperatures right now, it feels like almost the single digits, not quite the teens. It's more like 10, 11, 12. And by later tonight, more of the same right into the morning. But during the afternoon, as we warm up into the 30s, the breeze will die off a little. It'll only feel like freezing tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, 20, snow tapering off, another inch or so, unless you're talking right near the coast. Some of those spots, several inches more. Tomorrow, 39 degrees, mostly sunny. Then the 7-day forecast, 52 on Friday, a couple of 57s for Saturday and Sunday, and then right near 60 for both Monday and Tuesday. Next storm comes sometime Monday night or Tuesday, and that is a rainstorm.
We're counting on the groundhog to bail us out of this one.